abomamncane kubonakala ngathi yonke into ilula ofisha akukho lula yabona njengomama Bhuma uyalwa uthi yena isithembu no nakwenzeka ngelinye ilanga ubaba mhlambe understand samthambisa ukuthi okay uya accepta ukuthi isithembu nasi kusayokuba nzima ukuthi ngibe ne relationship naye because indlela angathandi ngaso isithembu nendlela ayongibona ngakho ukuthi mhlambe mina sengifika ku easy ngikwazi ukuthandana nendoda yakhe ngiphambi kwakhe so kunzima abomamncane bathwele nzima just that ukuthi zinengi izinto abangazisho kubonakala ngathi baphethwe njengamaqanda but yeah ubunzima lobo buphezulu kwabomamkhulu buningi ene wehlela phezulu kwabomamncane
nje mangithi ngiyasithanda isithembu ufanele ngibe ready ukuthi I'm in for a serious fight mos
and it's not a fight
iqanda kangaka
it's not a fight and uzokuphathwa njengeqanda
isithembu anginankinga naso anginankinga nesithembu yazi.
Come let me hold your hand, allow me to hold your hand and lead you to the healing journey you have been longing for. Mama Bhuma Siyabonga for leading us to the healing journey. Jehovah, who our greatest healer, you are our redeemer. Thank you for the great joy you have done on the cross, so that we can heal by your wounds. Come, let's heal together with Mama Bhuma.
Mara, if that was the case,
and now Maramande njengoba we going deep with this, and usesilelo achaza ga band because yena she's in this. Nna ke bulela from ke le kontle ke lebeletse fela go galla.
Akukho easy kuyafana nakomunye nomunye umtshado kunentshijilo like ama challenges maningi. Kuyafana like na asisithathe ukuthi mhlawumbe uchate wedwa unenkinga kumtshado nakho zikhona nakho. It's not like ukuthi yonke into ifika lula.
But if both thanda ne just asking a question, if both thanda ngalendlela osho ngasuthi thanda it's business ukuthi divorce why unga
my ex-husband has never I've never seen him cheating. I didn't have a problem yalogo you cheating me.
Yes.
Angihambisanga cheating futhi kwami you understand.
Uhambisa ukuthi akafundanga incwadi naye.
Always.
Yeah, ngifuna ukubanjwa ngesandla mina Sunday sihambe sothengisa inkosi.
But what if from Monday to Friday bekazoba nomamncane then Sunday?
If it was introduced mina emshadweni wami isithembu. I don't think I was going to have a problem because I can have a problem with it.
Here's why am I asking this question, and you guys can correct me, but I've seen this happening a lot of times where women, and I'm not saying you, women would divorce their husbands but go become a side chick in another woman.
Yes,
It
does.
Now, my question is, why would you leave your own Sodom and Gomorrah to cause a Sodom and Gomorrah somewhere? You know, is it better when you're inflicting pain instead of the pain being inflicted to you?
It can never be better.
Because you would hear, and I have a lot of friends who are divorced. After divorce, they don't mind sharing. But
just listen to that.
But prior to that, so that's why I'm saying, and I'm listening, and I'm like, is Thembu Sanda now after the divorce, or did you love Thembu prior? Dala like Usand.
I grew up in a village. For a couple of years, I did stay in a village, and I saw polygamy. So there were families that were very happy. Imuva kwasekhaya bekunomkhulu kunogogo bebayitere. But the dintutsa bona I family happy. I saw
from an outside point.
You understand? I don't know what was going on inside. But from what I saw, mbone something beautiful.
Yes.
Ubaba loyo bekazilusela izinkomo plus in the villages akona bu dilo tse di nyakegang tse dintsi yang understand nana le dikgomo e leng tate wa ratang go bereka and then abafazi bakhe bebamthanda abantwana bakhe bekubangani like it was beautiful. So angiqalanga ukuthanda isithembu manje sengidivorcile ngike ngasibona before and then ngithe mangibheka ngelihlo lakhona ngathi I wouldn't mind being in a setup like that.
Mina ngisithanda.
When I was
And there's nothing wrong about this.
Now usifuna isithembu.
And I'm sure mengaphuma ngizothanda.
Usho ukuthi
And
Mamela ngifuna ukutshela iqiniso angisho ngokutshela iqiniso ukuthi lapho ngizobe sengenza kuphela. That would be me. Angithi mhlambe ngizobe ngenza kuphela.
so yabona wena
Because mhlambe lapho mase ngiphuma ne-age izobe mhlambe ingasangivumeli ukuthi ngiqale ngishithana.
wena uyobungenela ama-reason wrong.
Ngizobe
wrong.
ngirong yabona
Eh.
and ngikhuluma lami iqiniso but right now la ngikhona mebangathi sithembu bandayo ngasebenza
ayinto bandawo yini lenisikhokhele. Lenisikhokhele ni
Ngaphoyisa ngemalanga phansi. Azokulayisa nga-1-1.
Ngicabanga ngiyejazi ngiphethe inyawo nkosi yami mangikhona.
mina one thing I've noticed as women ne simamenemene thina
Too much.
ne siyamamenemene because it's easy to love something when it's not directly inflicting pain to you. Like usisilelo ashilo ukuthi right now ngizwane nomotha sandlule ebunzimeni ne and then nako ke it happens ukuthi 5 years from now he becomes a billionaire and then uyabuya uthi kimi ufuna ukuthatha uSindi. Why was it ukuthi mina mele ngidlule emasini uSindi afike sekuzodliwa iCrusana? It wouldn't make sense. Ngihleli nawe sihlala ku 2 room sakhula sahlala ku 4 bedroom sa renovate si2 mina ngaba uBob the Builder at some point and then uyafika uSindi uthola amadlela alihlaza. Do you understand ukuthi lento iba bhlungu kuphi? I had there are certain things that you sacrifice in your marriage in order for your husband andlondlobale, meaning if bowuthanda label there were years where you couldn't buy that label because le mali le benithi espacing sokuthi sithenge amakhavela or sithenge ama Air Force asithathe si-invest ku business. Now uyafika ulelo ne ufika umatha sekuyimillionaire mina ngidle naye amadumbe netswayi ngaphuza amanzi. It will never be easy. You understand? And mina ngikhulumela esayidini la kaMbalenhle ne ukuthi kimi it will never be easy and that's why sometimes bazosibiza angry wives or portray as angry married women.
Died of an angry black woman.
Yeah, it's because they don't understand ukuthi there are certain things that we invest in these marriages. Okokuqala uyayithola indoda yakho ngahlangana nayo today isebenza iphelelo umsebenzi. You have to hold that kaya up. And then yena mesaka nemali sekazo introduce isithembu. But mini antifreeze nyayazi ukuthi akusemoto kuphela.
like ikhe ngatsho phambili ngathi kuya ngokuthi isithembu sakho yini ireason nakhona akusingisaka abantu nobani. Uyabona umotha yena isithembu sakho uzobe usithathela ukuthi sekanemali uya afforda, that is why afuna isithembu. Kunabantu abadalela isithembu you know from at a young age ukuthi mina ngalesi sikhathi mele ngibe nabafazi abayi2 or 3 unganamali unganasenti uyazi ukuthi kuyokufika isikhathi esongibe nesithembu. But umotha yena sakhe ngileso ukuthi nje sengiya afforda sengaba na 2 or 5 yabafazi.
But now my thing is ngifuna ukuthi si understand and yabona khona ireason engikuzwe ukhuluma ngayo yokukhulisa umuzi ne. Okay, So are we saying wena mozongena uzele ulethi sibeletho sakho shoot wena you just an incubator
No.
Uzokhulisa umuzi because ufuna abantwana no ngifuna ukuthi ungizwisise where I'm coming from. So the first answer was some families bafuna isithembu because bafuna ukukhulisa umuzi.
Apparently 100% of them, there's the most high reason why they do it.
Bafuna ukukhulisa umuzi, right? Okay, bafuna ukukhulisa umuzi. Meaning wena the only reason ola endlini kwami ozongena kaMotha ukukhulisa umuzi, right? Ngifuna ukuthi sicala ngale ukukhulisa umuzi. Anthandani uzela ukuzokhulisa umuzi.
No, angeke uthathe umfazi ongamthandi uzombeka la. If bowufuna ukukhulisa umuzi, there are surrogates. You can just pay somebody
Ufuna ukuya la.
abekhona.
So
Lo
should
mntwana mele-
ukukhulisa umuzi. Niyathandana.
Yes, kuyathandana but indlela engcono singayibeka ukuthi nomuzi ukhule. Hence mina nginomntwana ngiyi-1. Mhlambe anginamntwana, okay, angithi ngisemtchadweni anginamntwana at all.
So indoda
Kudingeka
inhliziyo
abantwana.
yendoda kahle kahle i-memory stick.
No.
Inama-gigabytes amaningi.
Kusichazele.
Angakwazi.
Kusichazele.
Into eyenzakalayo le mama Pumpi. Shuthi indoda ayinanhliziyo ine-memory stick la phakathi. No
But
wonder
kuku-
basigila.
but kukunje-
Shuthi uyashera. Unamalavu amaningi.
Let me say,
Yeah.
kukunje uthola indoda
amadoda
engishadile
anamalavu
ngingulelo ngiyi-1. Unabantwana ngaphandle. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kunabantwana abaphele balethwa kimi ukuthi
Abathole ngapha- engibathole bakhona.
ngiyi-1 leso sikhathi.
Engibathole bakhona.
No, babe khona ngitshadile mina ngingulelo. Bese kuvela abantwana ngaphandle. So uyabona ukuthi is not like ukuthi isithembu but into ekibo bayayenza.
Mina Sisilelo
Sithanda
ngumbalele.
singathandi iyenzeka siyayazi. Bangaka abantu ababhadalela ama-fees, bangaka ababhadalela ama-car installments la ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Sisilelo mina ngumbalenhle mathenjwa ungakhathalele ukuthenjwa. Angikhathalele ukuthenjwa nanokuthemba. Angidlala igame engadlalwa ngayo. I'm being honest here because you can't go out there and risk my own life uyenza abantwana and think you'll get away with it. Kuzonuka santongana like
No, like what are you saying? Like ukuthi wena
I-
uzokwazi ukumgada like ukuthi
No,
njengakuphi wenzani.
Mamela kwamanje angiyazi nokuthi kuphi
5 minutes is a lot.
angiyazi nokuthi kuphi right now. What I'm saying and even my previous episode I said this. Ngathi kweza umntwana. Ukuhamba ngizohamba mangizohamba ngimoshile and I'm being honest. And not to you. Not wena onesisu. Ne? Ngizodila nalo ongikhohlisa iminyaka.
Yes.
Because if he was an honest person and ngifuna ukubonisa lento le even now ayenze nawo umntwana it means le ndoda le is suffering from a lot of things because lento ayenze kimi uzoyenza nakuwe
Yes.
and he'll keep on doing it to other women and it's a cancer it will go around and the one thing about indoda enjalo it puts generational curses to abantwana iBhayibheli lithi izinto ezenziwa abazali ziyowela ebantwaneni yep uthole indoda yakhona izala amantombazana intombazana ayishadi idlalwa abafana yamithiswa la endlini inabantwana inabo baba bayi70 because of izinto zazenziwa ubabakhe mandulo
But yes.
what I'm trying to say is I will deal with this man because akabanga neqiniso sisilelo indoda ne if ithanda isithembu kumele ithanda isithembu from dala
Yes.
ithi mengishela mina umbali
Wazi
ngi1
ukuthi one day
athi mina
kuzoba nomuntu ozongena.
ngumuntu othanda isithembu ngazi ukuthi ngiyangena la or angeni ngibe nama options you can't be a thief in the night after 6 years wena so umuntu onesithembu kune twins lakhe la shone lithi ufuna umpazi wonke lawo ma excuse lawo sesiyawazi ugogo ufuna indlu yakhe uzile ephupheni ufuna indlu you will not play those games with me because I can't wake up as a woman. That's why ngithi culture, traditions and current affairs ne have a way of putting patriarchy in front where a woman is forever put at the back. As a woman, we are nothing. You take everything that is given to you. I'll show you a scenario of something that recently happened. A woman who's a queen was being verbally abused. She took a video. All right? She posted that video. Do you know how many women said she was wrong because umuzi no muzi unenkinga zayo?
Jesus.
People didn't see the effect of the abuse. Nobody addressed the abuse. Everybody said she was wrong.
They
to
address the
record.
reaction.
People will forever criticize the reaction and not the action behind it. Because as a woman, if a man did that, the reaction was going to be different. We have been brainwashed emhlabeni ukuthi a man is a priority. A man is the price. Because when anya kuzuvuke wena mama bhuma uthi ugogo wakho ufikile ephupheni wathi ufuna indoda yebisi-2. Bazothi yakhe yenzwaphi le nto leyo. Umuphi umfazi okhe waba namadoda ayi-2.
Polyandry.
Ne? But mongathi uyabheka the same satisfaction ayifuna the same satisfaction engiyifunayo.
That's where I come and say women of today want to be in competition with men. Flower, we cannot run away from the fact that God started by creating who? Who created Banu Jehovah?
He created Adam.
Why did he do that? God is smart and God is not stupid. So why can't thina sifuna ukuba semalevelini nabo mabhuma?
No, awuleveli
Mabhuma
indawo
indawo yakhe.
Yes. So I
But
don't
with that being said, akusho ukuthi now umabhuma angile angihohobise. But now I'm coming quickly to your point when you say men want to be vele indoda fani ibonakala ihlonishwe ibekwe kuleyo pedestal leyo vele God created a man for that.
Mama Buma, I don't dispute that. Let a man be a leader. Ungizwe kahle. A man will forever be the head. Yeah. But my thing is, let a head lead by respect and honesty. Mama Buma, you can't be a leader and then when izinto wrong, uyivale ngokuthi uyi leader. And right now, in the current life that we're living, that's what's happening. Amadoda athatha indoda ena 54 ikwazi ukushada umntana ona 21 mama Buma. It's because indoda yona ichurch
But
ikhathala.
umntwana una 21 yena uvumelani Flower because indoda ayikakamkhuhlumeli.
Ngikutshele ke why? Because indoda ayilida. Nayo ufundiswa lokho naye mama Buma. Ukuthi indoda ayilida. And another thing mama Buma ne, in this life ile nto bengisho ukuthi as women sonke sifuna ukushada.
Yes. Ubani ungafuna ukushada?
Sonke sifuna ukushada.
Ubani ungafuna
And then nayo lo mntana ona 21 nayo ufuna ukuba na 16 years emshadweni njengawo.
Yeah, but mina
No.
yabona lento iyona sis.
Phelathi. Singavumelani nento wrong bafowethu.
Yeah, yazi
Uma umama Bhuma anogel ujabulile. Me as a mother, I need to groom ujabulile. And when I groom my daughter into being a woman, asabe izinto uhlubulela njani indoda na 51.
Imagine.
yes, like
Saba izinto ungumrazana. Zihloniphe uyintombazana.
And leyo indlela i-role eplay abazali khulu.
yes.
Because mina at this moment esithenjini ngingene ekhaya sikaze sibe khona ngisibona from ngibaba omncane robaba omkhulu.
Yeah.
But they knew ukuthi ngiyasithanda from isikhathi eside ngibachazela
Yeah, they're
ngaso.
not even surprised.
Yes, and it's not like ukuthi ngiyaleka ngikhule ubaba khona ngikhula abobhuti bakhona. Mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi indlela ongithanda ngayo it's wrong because my brother is there. Uyayidlala i-role nobaba nanoma ngasekho but that role ayikho la ilekha khona. So nomntwana omntazana nange mina ngimzali ngidlala indlela e-right indrima e-right kuyi. I don't think ukuthi akathi nakana 21 akwazi ukuyokuhlubulela ubaba na 60 something. There's no way.
We must do our part. Each and every one emhlabeni, let's do our part.
Yes,
If you're a mother, take your role. If you're a dad, take your
Yes.
role. Unfortunately, amadoda ke 90% they run away.
Yes.
But if you are a mom, take a role. Tell umntwana wakho ntombazana ukuthi zihloniphe. Iphenti yalihlutshulwa just for the
Yes,
fact ukuthi
yes.
And
reggae.
we are preaching every day.
Yes.
Sex before marriage is a sin. Most of us sihleli manje in the situations that we are in right now.
And
because we committed that sin.
yes, and esikhona
We committed
bayabona
that. Mfitshane siyenze lento beyingafanelanga ukuthi yenziwe. You know, right now mina I'm advocating for small girls ukuthi bazibambe, you know, kube ne purity. There's nothing as beautiful as sexual purity. I'm a Christian, but I like following things, traditions, and I watch. Ngiyayithanda lento yenza amaZulu. Uyabona? Ukuhlola umntwana, you know, things like that. I love it in a way yokuthi I wish ukuthi abantwana bethu banga understand ukuthi i-sex yenza impact engakanani.
They don't
I-sex
understand.
yenza impact. I-sex akusizi into ezimnandi nje ukuthi fanele uzube umnandi. No, sex is
Uzube
too much,
umnandi
it's too
nje.
deep. Sex is too deep. Abantwana bethu, they just have sex.
And the reason why we're having the issues that we have, ukuthi sonke sasingafollowi umthetho. Because if you gonna sleep with a man before akushada, akuzalise, and then abaleke, if bekuyindoda yakho beyangabaleka, uzosaba ukushare i-provident fund lo muntu. There's divorce futhi i-stress esingakanani.
It's cool,
You understand? Why can't we go back to the basic teachings as abafazi and stop seeing each other as competition? Yabona, once as women, ayikho, as much as God created Adam, ne, the first seed came with Eve. Yes, siphume eribhini lika Adam, right? But the person who has ovaries was Eve. Do you know, Mama Bomuguti, amaqanda wakho come from your great-grandmother, right? Awabuying mama akho.
But now you are saying exactly what I was saying. Why are we modernizing things? Let's just
Go back to the basics.
let's go to the basics. Let's know, like, if you're a person, know who you are. And if you know that you were created in God's image, it means you are a mini God. Because mina wami umntwana manje umini dudu. Because uphuma ku this womb. So you must be, as a human being, take your position, respect yourself more than asiqaleni lapho. Abazali abafundisa abantwana babo ukuhlonipha.
Into ebuhlungu ukuthi abazali badla ngabantwana right now.
Nkosi yami, yabona leyo ibuhlungu kakhulu leyo manje, kubuhlungu kakhulu.
We can talk about respect. A person who's sitting at home can say we're talking from a point of privilege.
No.
Ngifuna ukubonisa other instances, sister, where some of us see those things happening. Umntwana uhlala emkhukhwini, yef. Umama isidakwa, right? Umama is forever etshwaleni, drinking, amadoda amthengela utshwala. Umama thembisa indoda etshwaleni ukuthi ungalala nomntanami endlini. Asithi lo mntana uzigcinile. Nangizwa uzigcinile.
They do that.
She's a virgin. She's waiting for marriage. But umama yakhe usethaveni promising another man ukuthi mongangithengela amabhiya ayi-2
Yebo.
ungalala nontombi zodwa endlini.
Yeah.
Does that child have an option? Akazi yena ulele
Akana voice.
uyabuya umama ubuya noSipho kuvula umnyango umama ovale athi uzumemeze.
Nkosi yami. Oh, Jehovah.
There are so many things that are happening la ngaphandle.
It's scary,
Scary, especially if you have a girl child.
Yeah.
It's so scary.
Uthi uhlala not even girl children. Hey, guys.
Not even girl children, even boys. Thina sinabantwana babafana nathi
Guys, boys
siyasaba.
get
They
raped.
get molested.
So no sometimes into engishoyo ukuthi everybody needs to teach themselves, including amadoda. Don't touch what is not yours. Be honest. Yazi impilo would be simple if we followed the simple rules.
Yes.
Be honest.
Let's go by the book.
Let's sit and talk. Communicate. Sengibhorekile. Incanca yala endlini. Omunye uzomuzwa athi ayengidla ipapa for 27 years. Ngidla istamp or rice. Angithi let's sit down and discuss.
Akukhohlakala phela makathunjana. Eh, akufuna isithembu, afuna ulela.
If the problem ukuthi angifaki makeup and uthanda be makeup.
Yes.
Mhlambe ngitshela ukuthi ngiye kuma makeup classes, yabona? But now also meet me halfway. There are days where I won't put makeup because angiyithandi. Yabona, if unebu nenkulu and uthanda isishwapha, isho mhlambe ukuthi sengifuna wesishwapha. I think life would be simple, Mama Boma, if everybody could be honest and then nathi sikhe sibeka ama emotions wethu.
Le nto okhuluma ngayo si love language mbali. Cause khona manje mina ngumama Bhuma uyangibona ngipakile and then 5 years uzothi ufuna ishwapha ngiyosithathaphi?
Ngiyosithatha phi ngenzeni?
You get into a relationship.
Ngisime ngani?
Sizosminga.
Akubona wabona the plus size. Wabona akubona gore ukanangani.
And ukulanda kubona ukuthi
But then
ungaka.
after a while umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi lose weight. Like
Imagine.
sengiluzela bani weight manje. Uyayibona? And it's not like I'm comfortable mina ukuthi nginesibhejeje or ini. There's things that I'm trying but sometimes they're not even working out. We harming ourselves manje sesiphuza namapilisi wama high blood because sesiqale saphuza ngama Herbalife umfana ufuna ukuthi understand
Uyabona
Mara,
ukuthi
why
awenzele
yena?
asisazikhethi nathi uyabona nemithi isowenzela umuntu
Say self-love.
Yeah,
self-love because right now sefanele ngiluze weight ukuthi ngimkhiphe ubrothers ukuthi angahambi. It's not fair.
You know,
It's not fair.
initially when I planned this thing, I wanted call it maybe umfazi okipitile azositshela experience yakhe ukuthi what goes in your mind mawusuka ekhaya uhamba uyokipita. I also wanted that view, you know, because what I understand ukuthi if there's a cow outside, where must I go buy milk if I can just go to the cow and milk it free of charge?
Yes.
Do you think this man will marry you?
Yeah, and mina I'm here to say ukuthi ngikipitile before ngishada. Yebo. But sebangishade manje ungishade mase ngimthembisa ukuthi sengiyahamba. Yebo. Because now he's used to having me and
yes ngoba beka access at any
So
time
I'm like now I'm into theology, now I'm into Christ, now I'm into raising young kids. Now I'm a role model. Now I'm seeing things with another eye. Ukuthi ngihleli nendoda engishadanga and I'm doing wife duties. It's not fair.
It's
So
not right. It's not about fairness.
Kubi into embi vele ayisi-right, ku-wrong. I-wrong. Awuyenzi leyo nto leyo. Uhamba uwashela umfana, umphekele. Asakonyala.
Ebila, it's very scarce lori wena ubilela inhlanhla awunyala ngoba abanyali.
ashade omunye
Ahlangane naye 2 months.
yes most of the time
Lapho wena
uthola
wale 9
uhleli
years
naye
ayoshada uZena ahlale naye ahlangane naye 2 months.
yes
Well,
I understand about Ibadian. Unfortunately, izinto ezihlangabezana nazo emhlabeni esifanele ukuthi sidile nazo. But thina our education and our way forward it's for the young kids abeza after thina
Yes.
to learn from us.
the thing is, we don't put our foot down. I mean, I'll tell you about myself. I found my husband and I told him, ukuthi, I'm anyengijoli. Indoda efuna ukuba nami ngizongishada.
Manje ke 5 years later, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
besike one thing ukuthi ngashada ngoba
It's a good thing.
not
It's a
because
good thing. Let me
I'm
tell you why.
Yazi ngisholo ini khona la emshadweni singagijimela ungena engubeni khona la asazane mina indaba yami yazi uDudu yazi uAndile
Yeah.
let's know each other.
Yes.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing. You know why? Because ngigincika ngivuke naye. Ene? Ahloniphile ekhaya. Ne? Kunokuthi ngigincike ngivuke nawe ekhaya bakwazi nokwazi. Ayikho into ebuhlungu mama Bhuma njengokuthi ushona uhlala nomfana uzwe bathi akushade.
Ugincika lo usho ini flower angikhulumi
Ngisho
ngemuva
ukuthi
ini nomotha
no,
novi ini hlala kaMathenjwa umotha hlale kaMathenjwa kaMotha and then niyadatana mara when uDudu uthandana ngifuna kuyomswinga asambe swingini sithando sami and uthandana ngifuna kuya shooting range asambe shushu.
Yeah.
Kuyafana mama Bhuma.
I know you.
Kuyafana. Siyazana khona la emshadweni. Iza ngutshele ngento ebuhlungu
But
ukuthi
like
ngihlala
I
kaMathenjwa
find
ne.
out izinto ezimbi
Engasayifuni
mase ngenzani.
bese
But
ngibuyela
ifana
njani
nani?
emuva
Ifana nokuthi nijole wena mama Bhuma for 3 years, ne? Or ujole nobaba Mabhuma for 5 years. Uhlala kaChile, ahlala kaMabhuma ne? kaChile uhlala khona ngoba kunempahla zakho. When every day baba Mabhuma ngo6 uthi ngingaphandle. Menihleli ngaphandle emotweni uyakhothisa. Okay, thingene ngithathe inight dress.
Manje ngisho
Netrack suit yokuchinja ngaphandle.
back to the roots again.
Back to the roots.
Abazali
Abekho.
Cause mina nje ekhaya bengeke uzuyenze leyo
Nami
viki
ekhaya,
vonke. Ngeke uzuyenze lento. Uthi manje sekuthiwa Dudu unyamalela uDudu ukubi ngeke uzuyenze
another thing
lento le.
ngithemba ukuthi thina isiko lethu ngendlela lingayo liyasisiza endrweni eziningi ngoba akusikulula ukuthi ungayenza into le oyitshoko ukuthi ngo6 right umuntu ongaphandle ubaba kuphi uma akuphi because nabathe wami umntwana ngo5 kumele abe la eJarden you'll be there umzali ukhulumile
But guys, we're talking about things zokuhlala ekhaya, ne? Ukuhlala ekhaya, traditions and all of that, ne?
Yes.
Ukuhlala ekhaya. Mina njengami and mama Bhuma you can attest to that. Mina everything I experienced mengifike eTheshari. Yep.
Yes.
Because ekhaya beku-strict.
Beku-strict, yes.
Ne? Mina ekhaya benyeka uze uphume uyolala ngaphandle, benyeka uye ngaphandle uyoma nabafana emakoneni and
Yes.
all of that. But I went to school. Akusena mama nobaba lapho. And ngimitha
Wathola
uSipho
i-freedom.
osafunda eMedunsa nami ngifunde eTUT sima ngaphandle siyakhohlisana. My thing is families are not the same. Singiyibeke in a nutshell.
Back to the roots.
Which
Uma wena mina now I had my child. My child is 18. And I was so strict kumfundo. And thank God for that. My child came back. Because now there's Nkazi, there's Nati. And my child said, Ma, you are very strict. And I appreciate that. That's what my son said. But umfundo wangu mama, yehlisa. Yehlisa. Because you know what? In such situation, mangifike varsity, you won't be there.
But another thing, indlela okhuliswe ngaye ekhaya nanoma usevasithi uyayikhumbula imiyalo yabazali. Mina ngihleze Sunnyside ngiyi-1 angaze ngangena ngisho neclub A1. Ukuba khona kwabazali imfundiso leza ziyambuild umntwana. Ngiyi-1 lapha angibonwa nguma ngingenza nanyana yini engifuna ngaleso
different angithi different angisho ngaleyo ndlela leyo wena uhlele eSunnyside azange uzuze experience lezo zinto lezo
and une chance yonke unesikhathi sonke
and when
endaweni e-right.
ubuya like emakhaya
Ubuye endaweni ngabe kunobaba
kunomama
bakhona abanye abantu nesisi kunabanye abantu sithando sami uthola ukuthi yena i-background ayimvumeli. That's why ungahamba uyokipita njengoba na indaba oyikhulumile uthi umama uza nesidakwa ulalisa umntwana nesidakwa ungahlala wena uzohamba ngiyohamba ngiyofuna uJabulani lapha and uthola uJabulani lapha uma ngifika lapha ngihlale naye nini sekunabantwana uJabulani akasebenzi kahle mara siyahlala sikhulisa abantwana
usabeka isinkwa
yeah akangishadi and I don't even see a reason ukuthi why afanele ngishade because mangithi ngibheka situations asekhaya the way ngiphume ngakhona this is survival.
and no mama
The people who are still going through those things.
yes
Even today.
uyabona mele sibile lapha usestudio asho khona ukuthi back to the roots thina esingabazali mele sizame ukusetha the examples to our kids.
But how many of us
kwenzakalani
guys Mara, let's be honest, how many of us can go back to the roots and do what's right if lasibuya khona kukho right? Guys, you cannot teach a child or you cannot aspire to get married if you've never experienced marriage from emuva. Ngikhuluma ukuthi ugogo wena ukhule khabo gogo uyizwa lento le
Yes.
ugogo ukhule kibo wazala umamakho wazala wena nihlala khabo gogo wakho
Yeah.
uyangizwisisa umama kagogo was never married. You've never seen umkhulu kini ugogo waba nomamakho umamakho uzuthola wena azakhe kwaba nomkhulu kungena umkhulu Peter 6 years kuzu umkhulu Simon 2 years kungena umkhulu the guys you can never go back to the roots if already the roots are bad.
That's fine. But aspire to break generational curses.
yes
Why must I be like my mom?
That's why you guys
We need to cut.
Let's not go back to the roots. Let us be the roots.
Yeah.
Let us be the roots, Mama Boom. Let's not say go back to the roots. Let us start by being the women that we want our kids to be.
No, but unfortunately there are roots, Flower.
Yeah.
But not for
There are,
everyone.
whether your mother chose to adhere to the roots or not, but there are.
But be a good mother.
Yes. You know,
Mama Boom, be a good woman.
Yeah.
Right?
I wish I
so
could
that
share the story as a-
I can aspire to be you.
Yeah.
You know, lento le ngishiso yini. I have kids who look up to me, I have kids who write assignments esikolweni ngami. I have kids who call me mother because I am the first point of what they would want to be when they grow up, even though they don't know what's happening emuva. But at least I'm setting that example. Guti, go to school, be a successful woman. Yes, I'm not that as successful as I want to be. I'm not where I want to be. But at least there's a child who says, Mambali, you are my role model. You understand? There are kids who cannot go back to the roots, but I can be the roots for that kid. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Let it start with us. Let us be the example of those kids. Yes, unabantwana babafana. But kunabantwana bamantombazana who see you each and every day. Let you be their
And
point
yazi
of
mina
reference.
ngithini, you know ngithini kula mantomba, whether you're a boy or you're a girl, I'm saying, my baby, don't let your life define you.
Yes.
Don't be your circumstances.
Yes.
That's what Mama Buma is saying. You don't have to have a role model. Just know it in your mind that you need to be the best version of yourself.
Yes,
That's what I'm saying.
True. It goes both ways, either way.
That's what I'm saying. Because now, uma ngabe la ekhaya kunabo malume bamaginza nabo wena as an individual, tell yourself,
Ukuthi
I'm
mina
going
I'm
to
moving
take out
from-
myself in this situation. And how can you do that? You're not going to do that ngendoda.
Yes.
You're only going to achieve that with education. Ngasiphi isikolo sona leso salapha ekhaya.
Sakhaya, so
Service buhle, sasethema. Those schools are good enough.
True.
And after that, there's NSFAS.
Yes.
Let me hear one soul of a child say,
Yes.
I can't go. Nonsense.
Yeah.
Une NSFAS.
Yeah.
I NSFAS, I qualifier everyone.
everyone.
There's a soul sister of mine, ne, who we're sitting with today. I'm sorry, but this is going too deep. Who is raising kids, ne? And she's raising kids in a way that let me not cry. The way that she's raising her kids, it's an example. It's a very beautiful example. Looking at her background, where she comes from. She has a kid who's doing well at school, who is representing ETUT. She is somebody who has never herself had that education. You understand? But she has a son or who is in grade 1, who's a top learner.
Amen.
Why? Because she is sitting down with her kids
And saying, don't
and doing things that
Yeah.
she didn't get a chance to do.
Yes.
Thank you.
And I admire that so much about her. I just want to put it down. I admire that about her. Her circumstances
Didn't
and her
define
past
her.
life.
Define him.
It did never define her.
And we're proud of
Instead,
her.
her children, they are beautiful. She's got the most beautiful girl ever, Samantha. She's very beautiful. When they got into my neighborhood, ilo mntwana engathi uphaphile so, ne, mawungamazi. Bekukhulunywa ngalo yamntwana ukuthi uzomitha, uzoyenzani. I'm talking about a child who's representing us, kuma TUT, who is still a virgin, who was asking mommy last week, mommy, I got a boyfriend and what is going to happen? Ngikhuluma ngomntwana, understand ukuthi what did this woman go through ukuthi aze afike lapha yokhulisa lo mntwana akhe, the way that she wanted to grow. But now she is walking. It's not like uphilela umntwana impilo yakhe, ne? Because sometimes we always want to, sometimes ufuna ukugcoka isicathulo sakho ngisho but I'm happy what she is doing with her kids. I'm proud with what she's doing with her kids. And I'm proud ukuthi she has introduced God. But last week when she was saying, hey, I have a boyfriend and we're going on a getaway, what's going to happen? I'm looking at her and I'm like, Jesus Christ. I was Jesus. I saw God.
So
and then
she's
I saw
saying
God
what's
umama
going to
wakhe.
happen.
Yeah, like what's going, like uyambona ukuthi uyapanika ukuthi ena.
Ukuthi manje saka-ready yoluza lo virginity.
No, she's not.
Okay.
That's what made me to be proud. Ukuthi I want to go and get away with this guy. Ke boyfriend ya gagwe o kry-ile boyfriend ke ngwana o na le 22, we can judge. But uthukiwe ukuthi what if uthi si uyayibona. And the way the mother came in, ukuthi when you're not ready, you're not ready. And then if he goes, uzahamba. Uyayibona. She came back home, nothing happened. But she enjoyed herself. So ama-background wethu ayathanda ukuyenza ukuthi sizilibale siloko sibheke emuva ukuthi konje uyayibona sikhohlwa ukuthi thina la emhlabeni sihambiswa nguNkulunkulu. You know, there's this verse yokuthi if it wasn't of Jesus, where would I be? Manje ukukhulisa umntwana fanele uinvite the Holy Spirit. There's nothing that is going to assist you as a single parent financially. Asi-afford kubuhlungu. But then if you invite the Holy Spirit inside, uyokuncedisa ukuthi ukhona ukukhulisa lo mntwana.
The planning and the navigating.
Yes. You see, when we say sex before marriage, it's a sin. And then looking at a child like that, who mommy got you when she was 15.
Jesus.
Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini.
You make
Who man got
100%.
you when
You make 100% sense. Do not let your circumstances define you.
Yes,
You know, no
yes,
matter
yes.
what, or no matter how difficult is your situation. Hence, I said earlier that, you know what, whatever that I'm doing here, I want to take it out from these four walls, you know, take it to the community, because of, I do believe the girls that you're talking about, ukuthi umama uyadakwa and then ureferral, you know, though there must be homes and shelters for such things. Ukuthi umntwana uyazi ukuthi, oh my God, la I'm not surviving, and then uyazi ukuthi ukhona umama phuma ne-shelter, she will receive me, you know, and we really need to be very much conscious of what's going on or what's happening in our surrounding areas. And abantwana bethu, I won't stop saying, do not let your circumstances define you. You can be something amazing. Kulo mhlaba lo siphila kuwo lo, coming from the poor of the poorest.
Amen.
You know, having a drunken mother, ohlala dakwe 24/7. That's your mother's choice. It's not your choice.
Yes.
You know, like whether your mom would decide ukuthi yena uphuza Monday to Monday, make your own choices.
Make your own choices.
Make
Good
your own
choices.
choices.
Good choices. Tina's corner. Mina, I am a mother. I adopt kids. Even though I don't stay with them, but I adopt them. They are my children. I assist where I can. I've opened my line for children. They call me. We talk about anything. I feel comfortable to talk to a child in sex. Because
What about
sometimes
it? What are you guys talking about?
we talk about everything. We talk about everything.
Ukuthi yenzeni sex?
Umntwana.
No, ngifuna ukuba clear.
Yeah,
Sorry.
umntwana uba pregnant. Abe pregnant, are your daughter, for example. Let's put it in this way. Your daughter falls pregnant. Usabu jail. Uyayibona?
So you talk meanwhile sex irahetse ngwana o imile ke ona wena o bolelang le bana.
Nna ke re I adopt a girl child. Ne? But I'm no longer adopting a girl child. I adopt a child. So I have this platform. Yoguti kids can come and we talk about everything. There's a child who's gonna be raped. I'll be pregnant. Half it's over pregnant. I understand. Yeah, we are there. God has trained us just to adopt those children. And it's not like we have millions or what, but through prayer and through the help of God, we help children like that.
Okay, let's quickly come back here because we all know that everything is time constrained, like my podcast. Before we go, we are almost out. Now that you have divorced and life after divorce, Injani, is it a right Injani life after divorce? Would you advise other women to divorce at home?
Wonke umuntu uyazithathela i-decision. There are people who are still in marriages.
P.
Angikuzwa kahle mhlambe ne?
P.
Yeah. Angikuzwa kahle.
Ungazenza umbali uzivulela amavesi. Dona.
Kungibuze kahle mhlamba ngiyizwanga le question.
Another woman to divorce.
No, Flower. The first question was,
How
how is life after divorce?
That's the first question that I must.
Is it a good or a bad life?
It's good.
Ngicela nje ube
Yeah,
pure.
let me be
Good or
honest
bad,
with you.
please.
It's bad.
Good. Would you advise another woman to divorce? Yes or no? Yes or no, mama? Ama reason asazoza.
No.
Good. Ngiyabonga.
No.
Yabonga, mina, that's what I love to hear. Thank you.
Thank
for
you.
your honesty.
Now we know.
I know, but we never get the honest answer.
No.
Now we know.
Yeah.
Because as I was saying, we want to modernize everything. Let's not run to divorce. It's not a solution. Life after divorce, it's messy.
It's messy. It's messy. Daddy's not there. I'm
You're
the one.
the first divorcee to be honest.
I'm
Thank
money.
you for that.
I'm money.
Maribonile
I'm
ukuthi
daddy.
vela player.
Wait,
Confusion.
Yeah, it confused me because ngithethe ngayi Yabona masinyane.
No, you wanted to sugarcoat.
Iya mhlambe bengifuna ukuyigqokisa amabloom.
Ufuna ama-blooms.
But shemnikutshela ayisimnandi mina
Ungafani nombani, unga-explain.
Bona,
ngiyangitshela iqiniso i-divorce ayisimnandi.
Siyabonga.
I-divorce
Thank you, siyathokoza.
ayikho into ebuhlungu efana ne-divorce. I-divorce ibuhlungu ngenye indlela ebuhlungu kabi.
Siyabonga,
Ukushona komuntu lapho.
yeah.
Manje lo muntu oshonile now you are mourning a living person.
Amen.
Ubaba loya kube washona ngamncwaba. Bengizomona. Now I'm mourning a person who is alive. That I have to see. And ngiyamthanda, hayi ukuthi ngimthandi. Hayi ukuthi ngimyeke ngingamthandi. Ngimyeke ngimthanda but
Just because of indoda ikambambisana.
yeah,
That's because of
noveli. Ngathatha into zami ngakhamba. Ngathatha into zami ngakhamba and but then akusimnandi because mina as a lover of love ngiyakhumbula umndeni wami. I don't wanna lie. Ngiyakhumbula umndeni wami.
Siyabonga, hayi ushayile selandula. Hayi yabona ivale lapho sandulu kuyaphambili ivale nje lapho mdanse ekhaya. Sandele lapho.
And you know, fortunately enough, all of us, in fact, each and every woman love to be loved.
Yes.
Sonke. But emhlabeni, you must compromise. Uma ubaba ubani athi phela dinkasini nelwena kibale buka, you should have compromised. Ukuthi le ndoda ngeke ihlale nami ifunde nami incwadi kaMama Bhuma ye Let's Heal.
Yeah.
Mara le ndoda uza nani? What do you put on the table?
Biza bombani bazofunda nawe incwadi.
Mara
You need a community.
Yeah, just we need a community.
kungenzeka ukuthi baba namhlanje akakwazi ukufunda nayo incwadi kelinye ilanga athola isikhathi ayifunde nibuye ni-discuss.
Yes. We understand.
Ukubekezela lokho kwenza
ukuthi mhlambe ngihambise ukuthi asifunde besingafundi incwadi
There
kuphela.
are deeper issues.
Yeah,
now,
it's
it's okay,
a
we
lot.
understand,
It's
yeah.
a lot. But into engayisho mina vele ngisamile lapho ukuthi i-divorce ukufa komuntu.
Yeah, you're right.
I-divorce ukufa komuntu, i-divorce ibuhlungu kabi.
Thank you, P. You know, another woman said to me, being sevenza naye besilecturer sonke, and you know what Uses Joey said to me? Uthe, Mwanaka Osaluminyani, very fresh in the marriage. One thing that I can tell you is that divorce is worse than death.
Yes. That's what I'm telling you.
That's I'm coming to that point. What you are saying is not the first time ngizwa. Uses Joey wangitshela many years ago ukuthi i-divorce ingcono bathi umuntu ushonile akasekho umncwabile.
Manje akasekho lo muntu nime phambi kwabantu nama phambi kwamfundisi ibandla likhona. You declared your love for each other. Besides that was a wedding. Angisho bekuyilanga, it was a wedding day, it was a celebration. Kunomshado lo ungena ngaphakathi kwawo. Uyayibona yiyo into ebuhlungu eyenza ukuthi manje mase nihlukene ufila ngathi kunomuntu oshodako and uhambile lo muntu and uvayile mfowethu and manje kubuhlungu. Now there's anniversaries. We got married on the 15th of December. Every time ka the 15th of December ngigcwala inhloko. I don't know what to say, but I'm glad ukuthi now we are good friends. We can laugh about it and say happy anniversary to each other.
Mina, thank you for your honesty.
Yeah,
I needed
but
to hear that.
ayikho into ebuhlungu kufana ne-divorce sithando sami. I follow up
Yes,
those two
flower. I
things.
mean, I know ukuthi ayimnandi. It's just that they want to put up a facade. You know, divorced women, unfortunately, okay, they have their reasons, and their reasons are valid, guys. I hear and I understand. But they want to put up a facade and make as if the divorce factor is a right thing.
God, you know, God hates divorce. As being honest, but He doesn't hate divorced people. Mina ngumntana kaNkulunkulu and I know I'm 100% sure ukuthi uyangithanda noma ngidivorce.
Amen, uyakuthanda vele.
But uNkulunkulu akayithandi divorce. Uyayizwisisa? So you can just imagine ukuthi uphela usazomthola, usayithola indoda futhi afuna ukushada. God Jesus. Okay.
You know what I want to ask? What is Lelo? What is your deal breaker, Mama?
Okay,
Lenga yenza ukuthi ulelo awuchiye umshado loyo wesithungu. Ngabe sethi mntwana ekhaya.
kungabi neqiniso. Mhlambe ama reasons engingenele wona lapha. Ngithi nangifika phambili ngithola ukuthi bengasenjalo. nokungahlonishwa ngizo izinto engangenza ukuthi ngikhambe.
Ukuhlonishwa, what do you mean? What do you want this man to do to show that he respects you? I think this is the fourth or third time I hear you khuluma ngokuhlonishwa. What is it that you want this man to do to show that he respects you?
Ukuthi abe khona for thina mhlambe simndeni wakhe, like abe there for us. Yes, kungabi mhlambe nala achoda khona abantwana, akhe ngithi mhlambe senginabantwana kube nala abantwana bangabi khona, indlela leyo ithando laka baba lingabi khona phezu kwabo. Kungaba ngiyo into maybe engenza ukuthi.
So if the man is shortchanging your kids, that means he's disrespecting you?
No, I can't say ukuthi it's a disrespect, but indlela zabenza ngayo kuzoba ngiyo ekhombisa ukuthi akekho kuhle ebantwaneni. And
But now when we talk about disrespect, we talk about something personal. Into eqalene noLelo. So I want to know, Lelo, what is your deal breaker? When you say you are leaving, yini ubaba ukwabantu baba losikhuluma ngaye kanje?
uyaphinda njengodiver ekhaya.
Okay. Kulungile. Ubaba lo. Sithike nje. Okay. All right. We are running out of time.
Yes.
I want to know, what is your deal breaker? And when you talk about disrespect, I'm asking you, what is it that this guy must do to show that good naile disrespect bengikhuluma ngayo ngithatha into zami ngiyagoduka? What is that?
Okay, for now ngingathi okay ngingene as umamncane. Ekulumeni ethu kwakuthiwa kufuneka 2 yabafazi. Mhlambe nangenzeka ukuthi iagreement ethi uphelela ku2, mara nangekwenzeka ukuthi uletha abanye ngaphandle kwenzathu leza esingakazimithi thina sinomamkhulu mhlambe esivumelene ngazo. That one would be a deal breaker nakhona ukuthi angeke ngisakwazi ukuchubeka ngoba akusiyinto
wena ungena imshado yabantu
asiyinto esivumelene ngayo. Ngeke ngayivumelene. Kunezinto esivumelana ngazo.
Why kuphelele ngawe? Angisho lo muntu unethembu. Why kuphelele ngawe kani?
No, mina mangena kuthi wethu azangathi 3 or 4. Yabona uthi if ngithenga ingena wathi ngisazokufuna newesithathu newesine anginakinga nesithembu. If ngiyatshelwa nje ukuthi okay kuzokuza nowes4 nowes5 nowes6 anginakinga, but kwathiwa silimita la bese godi train seyachubeka awa angeke ngalunga.
So uyahleka.
Isikhathi sisheshe saphela yazi kuningi engisafuna ukukubuza mara sena lapho.
Kune.
Yes.
Mamot, deal breaker?
Wona ngibuza ngethi break. Mara yami yayazi.
And this one, please, ingaloku ithatha ama-dry content. Ayivele nje.
I-deal breaker kimi ukuthi kube nomntwana emshadweni wami ngikhona. Ne? Yeah, that would be my deal breaker.
Okay.
Ne? However, ngingakusho lokho manje. Ngicela kusasa mase kunomntwana ningakubheki.
Then that's not a deal breaker.
Yeah. That's why ngisho kanjalo. Ngizangitshele wena mama Bhuma ne. Kunezinto njoba bengishilo ukuthi ngizi-experience for the first time naye lo muntu. Ne? Ebengingacabanga ukuthi bezingangizwisa ubuhlungu. I take time to analyze things, or I take time to react to things. So uzothola ukuthi ngireactela into ya 5 years back manje. Ne? Then sengifuna ukuphuma mhlambi. Into engishoyo ukuthi right now it deal breaker yami ukuthi kube nomntwana emshadweni wami. That would be it. I would leave.
Phelathi
Into engihambisile emshadweni.
ile yokuthatha-thathana.
Not that, no. I was still married to my ex-husband when the girlfriend fell pregnant. So mina, I was still hoping ukuthi kuzolunga. And then the girlfriend fell pregnant.
Again.
No, like angisho I moved out. Emzini wami ngahamba nabantwana sazihlalela lapha samshiya yona endlini ukuthi azilungise. Uzabuya silande mase ka grand. Manje sekuzindaba ukuthi there's a girl who moved in and now the girl is pregnant. Then that's when
You gave up.
I gave up and I applied for a divorce because Nami, to me, bese ngibona ukuthi mase kunomntwana ngaphakathi sengaphezu kwamandla.
Mama Puma in deal breaker yakho.
I knew. She's like that in your mind.
Ukwazi
Yini deal breaker yakho?
Hey, Bafowethu, let me tell you something about you.
Ungajiki ne?
No, I'm jiggy, mara mina ngi straightforward yangazi by now, Flower, you know. I'm around the circle, like, you know, I'm one person. Even everyone around me knows ukuthi ngi straightforward. Umshado uzokhombisa ama flames. My deal breaker. Anyone, mina I'm married for 16 years. Kek veli tatanyana elincane la basho lina 10.
inkinga yedwileyo.
Kek veli
Ngathi sonke inkinga leyo.
nyo minus, nyo calculator, nyo 10, 15 minus. Ingiphi answer? Pelile.
Yeah, njani?
Mara ungale ko 1600 I will embrace you, I will hug you. I'm going to give you the most loving. Uzongibona ukuthi ngumama onjani.
Yebo.
And I don't mind, and I don't anything less than minus ukuthi 1957 minus. Imaths yangikhulumisa okunye.
Gone kanje.
Gone kanje.
Sonke siyafana.
Sonke siyafana.
Abomama abanengi into ebhlungu
Ukulethela umntwana ukhona.
Ukulethela umntwana. Yabona? Mina noma even though we separated but besisa mina bengizitshela ukuthi siyalungisa. Hayi baba.
Wophuma endlini ushiya indoda.
Kunesimo esingakenza ukuthi usukume uhambe uphuma endlini. Akusahlaliseki. Akusahlaliseki sesibe kungasahlaliseki.
Bring your hand. Me and you need more sessions. Private sessions. We don't just walk and leave. We'll pick off another day. And then when we are out of time, thank you for being with us. Sikhulumile nizwile, you can add, you can comment down below. And yeah, you know, it's a free country, but one thing I always say, let's do it with respect all the time. We are commending respect is and I'll gladly respond because that's what I do. You know, I respond to each and every comment. Uzana bantu bami ngabofong seseku estradeni ze YouTube because I try to show each and every one of you that you are all important. I all love you and I value you, you know, for even opening up your phone and going to my channel. That means that you really want this channel to grow, and keep on sharing and keep on subscribing. Do not skip the ads. Please, and press the super like that super thanks that will be there. Before we go, last words, Lelo.
Engathanda ukusho ukuthi kungabi nabantu ababona isithembu mhlambe ngento embi ukuthi mhlambe njengento embi ukuthi mhlambe silapha for imali or ikhona into etshodako basesekhona bomama abasithandako nabafisako ukwakha imizi ngehlonipho babambane nalaba ababathole lapha or abeza ngemva kwabo. So yeah, please don't take polygamy in a bad way. So it's good, but remember what is good for me is not gonna work for you. So yeah.
Flower.
Guys, take good care of yourself. You come first. Let us start taking ourselves as the first priority in Pilweni, and also be kind, guys. People are going through a lot. Be kind to everyone. Whether you commenting or you saying hi on the streets or whatever, be very mindful of what you say to people, because people are going through a lot and everybody's opinion matters, even though you feel like it's not right for you, but it makes sense for them. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for having us.
Sispi.
Yeah. Mina, I can tell somebody who's sitting at home, kuyalungiseka. Umshadweni wakho sasisi, the streets are very dirty.
Cold.
Now sekunabo baba abathaketa abafazi. So but if when you are happy, you're not really happy in your marriage, but kuyalungiseka ngalungisa divorce. But if you are in pain, just like I was in pain, there's nothing wrong in going. There's nothing wrong in going. But the only thing that I want to say, don't rush getting into divorce. Love and light. And thank you so much for having us. Thank you for healing us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Lelo, where do they get hold of you?
Ku-TikTok ngiyatholakala as lelo_chili, also Instagram the same, lelo_chili, naku-Facebook ngiyatholakala ngolelo_chili.
Thank you, Mama. Flower?
Lama Tendra on TikTok, on Facebook, Umbalentle Matendra. Yeah, that's where you can get hold of me.
I am on TikTok, Peladi Plus Size Community. I'm on Instagram, Peladi Bimbila. And I'm also a vlogger. Please follow my stories. Me and my sister, we are writing stories about love. They come out every now. So, sikhuluma ngezinto ezivele or is it a point of life? And I'm also on Stula Salaf Movement. That is my baby that I'm still growing. You'll find me there.
Thank you. Thank you for coming, ladies, and thank you for this. This is Conversations Without Border with Mama Puma. This was the first of many, many more to come. Mama Puma utim zikhethe wena zithande, and it's always about you, and try to strive, and always be the best version of yourself. I love you. Take him, Denwami. Get it?
Come, let me hold your hand. Allow me to hold your hand and lead you to the healing journey you have been longing for. Mama Buma Siabonga, for leading us to the healing journey. Jehovah, who our greatest healer, you are our Redeemer. Thank you for the great job you have done on the cross, so that we can heal by your wounds. Come, let's heal together with Mama Buma.